All right, so today we are on 6.6a. We're going to divide a polynomial by a monomial. So I want you to be able to take a polynomial and divide it by a monomial. So when you're doing this, you need to remember to divide each term in the numerator by the term in the denominator. And then don't forget to remember your exponent laws for dividing. You subtract the exponents if the base is the same. And then the regular numbers, you just go ahead and divide them or reduce them down. And then remember your answer can have a fraction. You may only have to reduce the fraction in some cases, so you might not have to do that in all of them. So we're going to be simplifying these expressions. So when we divide a polynomial by a monomial, we just simply simplify the expression. So if you look at this one here, it's 5x squared minus 10x divided by 5. So you can take each one of these terms in here. So I can take, just like they wrote down here, I can take 5x squared, I can divide by 5, and then 10x there is at the top there, and I can divide that by the denominator there as well. So now I can just clean this up. 5 divided by 5 there is just 1x squared, so I just get x squared. And then 10 divided by 5 here is 2, so you get 2x. So we end up just getting x squared minus 2x. So notice here we just took and divided each term in the numerator by the term in the denominator. So coming over here, we got to simplify this one. So I can take 3b to the third and divide by, since this is a non-monomial down there, I can divide it by that, minus 6b squared divided by the monomial plus 9b divided by the monomial. And this works because it's adding and subtracting up there, and it's dividing just by that single monomial. You can go ahead and divide each term. So doing that, 3, 6 there can be reduced. 3 goes into 3 there once. 3 goes into 6 twice, so I reduce that down. So I'm going to rewrite it down here. I get 1/2. And then I've got b to the third minus b to the first there, and I get b to the second. There's more at the top, so I'm going to put b to the second at the top. And then minus over here, 6 divided by 6 here is just 1, so 6 goes into 6, 1, 6 goes into 6, 1. And then again, I can subtract my powers there, and b to the second, and divided by b to the first there, subtract them, and you get b to the first. There's more at the top, so b's at the top. And then over here, 9, 6 here, 9 or 3 goes into 9 there 3 times, 3 goes into 6 there 2 times. And then your b's there, b the first, and divided by b the first, they just cancel each other out, or 1 minus 1 there's 0, and I think the 0 power is just 1. So we get b the second over 2 minus b plus 3 halves, and we're good. So now I've got a couple for you to try here. We're going to factor these completely. 9x squared minus 6x all divided by 3. And then we got 12b to the third minus 18b squared plus 36b all divided by 6b. So they'll give those a try. All right. So going ahead to do this one right now, we can take 9x squared there and divide by our denominator there. I could take 6x divided by our denominator. 9 divided by 3 there is just 3, and I still have my x squared left. 6 divided by 3 there is 2, and I still have my x. The other way you can look at that is to think up here, reducing down your fraction here. 3 goes into 3 here once, 3 goes into 9 here 3 times. 3 goes into 6 here 2 times, 3 goes into 3 here once. So I don't need to put the 1s there at the bottom since they're all gone. So we get 3x squared minus 2x. Over here, we've got 12b to the third divided by 6b minus 18b squared divided by 6b and plus 36b divided by 6b. So again, kind of thinking through this, 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 12 two times, 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 18 three times, 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 36 six times. So I've got 2 up here, b the third minus b the first, there is b the second, there's more at the top, so it goes up there by the 2. Up here, b the second divided by b the first, subtract my powers, there's more b's at the top there, so I just get 3b. And then over here, b divided by b, they're just going to go away, and I just get 6 over here. I don't need to put them over ones. And then I've got a couple more I want you to try over here, so give these 2 a try here, and see how you do on those. All right, so let's go ahead and try these out here. We've got 15x to the third divided by 5x minus 5x squared divided by the denominator plus 10x divided by the denominator. So again, kind of thinking through these. Again, 15 divided by 5, or 5 goes into 5 here once, 5 goes into 15 three times. So 5 divided by 5 here, 5 and 5 here, 5 goes in 5 here once, 5 goes in 5 here once, 5 goes in here once, goes in here twice. So now I'm going to look at my x's here. I can subtract my powers here, x to the third divided by x to the first is x to the second. There's more at the top, so it's going to go up there by the 3. Minus over here, x squared divided by x to the first, subtract my powers there. There's more x's at the top, so I get x to the first, or just x. And then over here, we've got 2, and x divided by x just cancels out. And we just get 2 at the top. So 3x squared minus x plus 2. Our other one over here, we've got 2x to the third divided by 4x minus 4x squared divided by 4x plus 6x divided by 4x. So again, thinking through reducing these down. So 2 goes into 2 there once, 2 goes into 4 twice, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 4 once, 2 goes into 6 here 3, 2 goes into 4 here twice. So rewriting these down, we get 1 over 2. And x to the third divided by x to the first, subtract the powers here, you get x squared, there's more at the top, so x squared's going up here at the top. And then minus over here, x squared divided by x to the first, you get x to the first, or just x there at the top. And then over here, we get 3 halves. X divided by x just goes away, so you get x squared, or if you want, 1/2 x squared minus x plus 3 halves. Probably looks nicer. So you're going to be working on the 6.6a worksheet, and then I've got also a review worksheet for you to do after that. So you can go ahead and get going on those 2.